This time we're supposed to find the total resistance for each circuit. Means you have to find out what ohm meter is going to measure if you are going to connect it between these 2 points. Remember, when we have series circuit, the formula for total resistance is equal, in this case, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let me remind you one more time. This is very important to write the formula first. Even if this is a very simple problem, this is very important to do so. R1 is equal 1 kilo plus R2 2.2 kilohms plus R3 is equal 3 kilohms. 1 plus 2.2 is 3.2 plus 3 kilohms is equal 6.2 kilohms. Our total is going to be equal 6.2 kilohms. Means your meter is going to measure approximately this value. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. We have to find the value of total resistance again. The total resistance is going to measure between this point and this point. And all these resistors, as you can see, are in series. So our total is equal R4 plus R5 plus R6 plus R7. So this is going to be equal, R4 is equal 2 kilohms plus R5 3 kilohms plus R6 1.5 kilohms plus R7 1 kilo. This is equal 2 kilo plus 3 kilo is 5. This is 6.5, 7.5. This is 7.5 kilohms. Total resistance of this circuit is 7.5 kilohms. Let's take a look at this one. We have again total resistance for the series circuit. Formula first, in this case I have R8 plus R9. Our total is going to be equal 2 mega ohms plus 300 kilo ohms. So my answer is going to be equal 2.3 mega ohms. This is the solution to this problem.